It's Mardi Gras time, brothers and sisters, so this is the King Cake cocktail, okay? Let's sexify the glass first with yellow, purple, and green salt, the colors of Mardi Gras, okay? So we rim a little piece, bit, okay? And then you run that through the yellow, then you come behind that, you go through the purple, and then you go through the green until you have all the cool colors running together and you have your nice little Mardi Gras glass. See how we did that? Beautiful. Put the glass aside. Let's get down to what really matters, what's going inside that glass. Ice. Come behind that with some vanilla vodka. Follow vanilla vodka with some cake vodka. Follow cake vodka with some gulch lager. So far we got like a spicy cinnamon cake, a little bit of Bailey's Irish cream. Woo-hoo-hoo. Okay, some half and half milk in there. Give that a nice shake. And then we strain that into our sexified glass. Hallelujah, we are ready for Mardi Gras. It's Fat Tuesday, boys and girls. Let's drink up. All right? Anyway, for all your Mardi Gras needs, come to tipsybartender.com because we have more Mardi Gras drinks on there. Stay tipsy, friends.